Hi, welcome back to my channel, Train Plane Spotter 1234. Today we've got another map video. So let's do this. You might have heard, if you live in Norfolk, there's a place called Great Snoring, which is right there. And it's 105 miles away from London. And it is northwest of the river, what is it, Stiffkey, I think that's how you say it. And then it's close to a town called Fakenham, Fakenham, I don't know. I don't live near there. If you watch any else of my videos, you can probably tell I live near Manchester. And then, so it's quite near the sea, about, I'd say, around 15, 16, 17 miles from the sea. And it's got a small like aerodrome called Little Snoring, for the town called Little Snoring down the road. So that's basically what I've researched about this town. But next week we're going to have another town somewhere else in England. That was a really bad thing. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye.